In this session of Power BI videos, we will discuss Power BI components. What are the components are present in Power BI? There are 6 components: Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map, Power BI Desktop, and Power BI Q&A service. So what is Power Query? Power Query is the data transformation and mashup engine that is basically used to create any query in our Power BI service. This is the same formula we have used in our Excel. So that formula implementations are known as Power Query in our Power BI application. Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a data modeling and calculation engine. It uses data analysis expression or DAX language to model sample and complex data. Power View. In Power View, the data visualization component that can be connected to data sources. So Power View basically the visualization. Power Map. Power Map is used for 3D model of various geographic region like country, state, city, street view, address informations, all are included in Power Map. Power BI desktop service. The Power BI desktop is the basic important part of Power BI service. The application, by that application, we can create the dashboard which is based on the data source. So what are the data source we can use in Power BI? There are lots of data sources like text data, Excel data, web data, access data, SQL data, big data. Each and every data sources can be implemented in Power BI service. That is not only the Excel data. The more than 100 services are present in our Power BI desktop as the data service. Power BI Q&A are the model. By that model, we can share our final dashboard. So those are the basic components which we have discussed in our Power BI components. Now we're going to start the practical session of Power BI according to the Power BI components. The Power BI application, which is already installed in our system, we need to load few data. So what type of data we have to store, what type of data we have to import in our database? That can be any type of data. We are taking few data, sample data from Excel workbook. So for that reason, we have to go to Google Chrome and we have to download few sample data. Sample data in Excel for Power BI. So there are the financial sample data we need to download as a sample data. This is the sample worksheet we have to load. So download it directly. Financial sample data that we have downloaded in our system. Yes, that is downloaded. Now how to load the data? Go to Excel workbook option, then go to download option, click on financial sample, click on OK button. Now the data are loaded in our system. So Power BI is basically work on three principles that are entity transform load, ETL. So now we have to check the data of the financial sample. As those are the structured data, we can load it directly. If that can be blank data or unstructured data, we can transform the data. So if we transform the data, we can change the type of the data types. We can change any type of column, any type of row as we want. So if we want to change the unit sold data type, so how to change this? You see that data type are given as the decimal number, but the unit sold we need whole number. So we have to change it to whole number. The data will be replaced. See, all the data is replaced to the whole number. And the properties window, there are given that the property is changed. So here it is showing change type. So whatever the changes we will be done, those will be given on the applied step. Now we have to click on close and apply. So those will be applied in our table format. Now we can apply change the data. The financial data will be loaded again. Now there are three panes are visible at the right side corner. First pane are filter pane. We can minimize the filter pane. Second pane, visualization pane. We can minimize the visualization pane. Third pane is the data pane. Now we are going to the data pane option. In data pane, there are financial options. So in Power BI at the left side, there are three options: report view, table view, and model view. The data will be came at the report view option as the final dashboard, but the table view will be the data. In those data we will be working. So table view will be the backend of the database, and the report view will be the front end of the database. So these are the two parts in Power BI. Now what we have to do? We have to check what are the data we need. We are just changing the report view option. From the report view option, if we want to change the visualization, we have to choose any two items. First, we have to choose the charts. There are more than 30 charts available in Power BI. We can see those are the stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, bar chart, column chart, line chart, funnel chart, donut chart, anything we want. So now we have to click on the dashboard and we have to take any one of the following charts. Now we are taking, suppose we are taking one column chart. This column chart can be dragged as per our need. We are dragging it as per our need. And now we have to choose what are the item we need to see in the column chart option. So we want to see the product and the profit. So we can see the product and profit will come in the column chart format. So how to change the visualization? We have to go to the visualization visual format option. In that visual format option, there are the x-axis. So what are the x-axis? What axis? There are the products. So we need to increase the font because the font is very small in size. We want to increase the font. See, those are increased. Now those are visible. Now we want to go to the another level. What are the level? Those are y-axis level. I want to increase the value field of y-axis again. I want to increase the value field of the y-axis again. Now what I have to do, I have to design the format. I want to see those in the different color, so the color will be changed. So see the y-axis, the sum of profit will be changed as per the color. Now we want to change the value display unit. We can change the title also. Now I want to change the title size, title as 20, and title text are profit, profit versus product, profit versus product, and that is bold in format. So the color would be red in color. So where is the title? At the left side we can see the title. Okay, now what we have to do, just we have to increase the product. So the products should be in x-axis. So that is the title of x-axis, right? So we have to increase the size of title, we have to bold it, we have to change the color as per our need. So again we will be going to y-axis. In y-axis we can increase the y-axis value, as well as the title, legends, zoom bar we can on. If we on zoom bar, we can see the zoom bar over here. If we want to minimize it, now we want to take another type of charts. If we want to take the chart, that will be our donut chart. We are taking donut chart over here. This is the donut chart. And now we are taking country and sale price. Country and sale price we are taking. I want to decrease the size of the chart. Here I want to take the map value. So this is the value of map. We have to take map as the country. This is the most important part. We can see there are the option, file, there are the option and settings, option, then we have to go to security option and map, then OK. Now map will be loaded. If we again click on map, the map will be loaded over here. Yes, the map is loaded now. Now what I have to do, the map is loaded. Now what I have to do, I have to take the country as the slicer. Just I need to increase this map. Then here also I have to change the value as per our need. So how to change that? We have to go to visual option. We have to go to general. In the general there are title. We have to increase the title size. Then what we need to do? We have to go to subtitle. So now properties, we have to increase the height and width, position, advanced option. We can change as per our need from the visualization. Now I want to minimize the filter also. Now I have to take one most important part, that is slicer part. We are taking the slicer part. What are the slicer part? We have to see it clearly. Slicer is the control. We are taking country as the control. Now we have to go to the visualization of the slicer. Go to slicer setting. There are the selection. We have to choose all. Then we have to slicer heading. We have to increase the font country. Now we have to increase the part, this one. Now if we select Canada, see all the Canada data will be displayed. If we select France, all the France data will be displayed. If we choose Germany, all the Germany data will be displayed. If we press Control and select multiple, then the multiple data will be displayed. If we select all the countries details will be displayed. This is the main utility, and this is the most attractive part of Power BI rather than the Excel database. If we want to change it as per our need, we can share this. To share this to our management team, what we need to do, we have to go to file option, then publish. If we click publish, it will be uploaded, but we are using here Microsoft Power BI desktop, so the upload feature is not available. This is only the local machine we can create this. To if we want to publish it as offline data, so how to do this? We have to go to the file option, then we have to click on export option, then we have to click on export to PDF option. Now we have to generate the PDF, then the PDF will be displayed. So PDF, how to create? Export option, export to PDF, generating PDF. See, those are the PDF that is generated by the Power BI. Now I am just opening another dashboard which already I have created. How to load another dashboard? Just I have to open it. So just double click on it, and already I have downloaded another dashboard created by me. I'm just double clicking on that. That dashboard will be loaded. There several types of charts are implemented. I will show you how that type of chart to be chosen to make your dashboard more attractive to the viewers. This is the dashboard I have created that will attract the audience attention. Let's see the dashboard. Yes, this one, another dashboard. We can see the most attractive part of this dashboard. There are so many charts, right? We having the slicer options. So if we choose Canada, see the number of country is 1. If we choose France also, the number of countries 2. If we choose Germany, the number of countries are 3. If we choose Mexico, the number of countries are 4. Right? So here these are used as a nameplate. There is another control that is called card. That card can count anything you want. How to add the card? I'm just deleting the card. Again, I am taking the card. These are the card. Sorry. This position I have to select. Then click on card. Card is present. Just drag the card to in this position. I have to take the field for the card. What are the field you want? The card is the country, like, and here having the setting of the card. So we have to go to the field. In that field we will count. We will take count. So count of country is 560. Okay. So now we have to take distinct country. So we have to check and click on distinct country. So there are 4 distinct countries. If we select all, there are 5 distinct countries, right? If we want to change the color, the same options, the general, title on, effects, we have to take the background, then we have to take the foreground option, background, okay? So visual border, if you want to border, shadow, if you want to add shadow, outside, inside, what you want, you just give this background. If you take the background, anything you can change as per your need. So those are the cards, right? This is one of the dashboard which we have created. Now I am coming few functions. If we want to perform few calculations, so we have to change to the view, to the table view. In the table view, there are the country and there are the product, there are the discount, units sold. There are so many functions, right? So I want to type any function as per our need. So now I want to add one new column. So the new column should be the first 3 digit of the country, right? So how to do this? Click on new column option. Then we have to type. What we have to type? 3 digit of country equals to upper, within bracket we are taking left, we are taking country. So which one? Country. Yes, country. Now we have to press 3. Now double bracket, press enter. See, first 3 digit of the country will come. See, the Germany, JER, Canada, CAN, all are in uppercase. So we can do any type of functional task within the report, within the data view part. Also we can change it in the report view also. If we want to see the name of the country, so we have to minimize it. We have to minimize it as per our requirement. We have to take the name card. We have to take the name card here. We have to drag it. We have to adjust it. We have to adjust it as per our need. We have to drag it. Then we have to take the field. Which field we have to take? First 3 digit of the country, Canada. See, this field now we have implemented just. If we want to change France, see, FRA. If we want to change Germany, see, that is JER, right? So all the data will be customized as per your need also. This is the utility of Power BI, the most attractive dashboard nowadays used. Clear? Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.